onto skills that can build a long-term career for myself.
RoboGarden has given me the opportunity to get back in and start learning the current technologies.
And if you have an understanding of even how information is being used on the back end of something, you'll understand the world better.
I know that I can use data science skills in many industries.
There certainly has been a lot of care provided to ensure that we can succeed, right? Lots of TA help, lots of instructor help.
Everybody should learn how to code because I think it's the future.
Take that risk. It was worth it. It's a wonderful learning experience.